Hello, this is Isaac.
And this is Lance, and here's our final Matlab project.
It's a code that calculates engineering student grades around various years.
And ideally, you'd plug in each grade individually, obviously, but for this program, we just generate random numbers on a scale of 1 to 100, so we can show you how the program works once you have grades inputted.
So let's run this code. So that's C for the amount of years you want to consider, so let's just say 2 years. And after that, that's C for the number of students you want to so let's just say you have 3,000 students, because this is a big lecture, world famous lecture. Everybody wants to get in your class. So it shows you the 2 different years along with the grade distributions of each year. And so you can see here's the number of students, and here's the grades. You have 0 to 100 with increments of 10.
And yeah, so I mean, these are randomly generated from 0 to 100, so if these were the grades, we're going to have quite a bit of Fs. So what we're going to do now is go to this option, and it says, would you like to curve the current class? And with those grades, one would hope you would. So we're going to do Y for yes, and then we're going to go back to our graphs. And this is confusing at first to look at, but what we're looking at is trends here. So see, the raw grade up here is the straight black line, which is really not what we're concerned with, where the two curves below it are the kind of curves that make. One of them takes the 3 highest grades, it averages them out, puts it into a decimal on a scale of 0 to 1, and then it divides everyone's grade by it. So assuming you have, 99, 94, 94, you're going to get somewhere in the 96 range. So everyone's grades divided by 0.96. And the other curve, it finds the difference from 70 when you average out the grades, subtracts that from 100, and then does the same process of dividing. And so you can see that these curves trend to the right, and it includes everyone's grades, especially this general curve. So that's that. We'll go back here.
Alright, now let's say you didn't want these things on us. So let's rerun this. It's 2 years, 3,000 students. And then you answer, oh, I don't want to click the class. We work on it, press enter.
And it simply displays all the grades that are received in the class. You can see you've got 307 Fs. But, oh, that was only D's.
And then you got 1,765 Fs. So.
And up here, with so many students, this function isn't so helpful, but I mean, ideally you're not going to have 3,000 students. But what this tells you is it tells you what student, what each student got individually, if you knew what number of student they were. So this tells you, like, if this student got an F, we're an X obviously here, but so all we really care about is the final input right here.
Alright, and then afterwards you can go to our user-defined function, so it calculates the amount of gigabytes we're going to respond to all the complaining students. So you just hit run, and then you can refer back to the previous answer. So you have 322 A students, 293 B students. We have 313 C students. We're just going to add the D students to the F students. So 307 plus 1765. And it tells you need 15.5 gigabytes worth of inbox space to handle all the different emails that you're going to get. And that's about it.
That sums up our project. Thank you for listening. I hope you had a wonderful time. We sure did.
Yeah.